Stories of great achievements often begin in unexpected places. The story of Kronoterm started in a modest locksmith workshop of just 50 square meters. In the adjacent space of our workshop, there were 2 cows and 2 pigs on top of the straw and hay. We had 1 workbench in the garage, a small drilling machine, and a welding machine. And with that, we helped ourselves. We welded and made various constructions. In the afternoon, someone came to make various frames. In short, we were constantly in the field, and others came to help us. Testing became the heart of development. In that workshop, we set up the pump. Then we blew air when we had to maintain a temperature of about 10 degrees Celsius to work approximately according to those standards. Outside, we set up a tent on a sheet and insulated it a bit. So we had that as a sort of laboratory. If you asked 10 people at that time what it was, they didn't know. Then some said yes to understand it's an upside-down refrigerator. So it was very strange to most people. Nevertheless, everything was based on a clear vision. I set myself some rules. Honesty in the company, among employees, and in the market. Innovation, and a constant drive for product and company development. To create a development laboratory of European significance, size does not determine. Whoever rises or sinks, be the best at whatever you are. Today, Kronoterm is creating the future of heating. I was lucky that I had already worked on this program a few years earlier, and I knew it was the right thing. And everything continued with new people. With the new team, it progressed strongly and successfully. I am very satisfied with what you are doing. Grateful for the trust. Proud of 50 years of innovation. Kronoterm, the future of heating.